Today I'm going to show you how to catch your floats using the two-handed colorwork method. So we are going to be holding our right hand our main color and in our left hand our contrast color. And there are different ways to catch your floats depending on if you're catching a contrast color or main color float, and I'm going to go ahead and show you both today. When we want to catch our contrast color, or the one that's in our left hand, we're going to want to knit a few stitches here until we get to the stitch we want to catch. And normally you want to keep that contrast color out of the way, right? You don't want it messing up in the way. You're keeping it held back from your knitting so that it doesn't get in the way while you're knitting your white stitches. However, when we go to catch the float, we want to get it in the way. So what you're going to do is insert your tip here as if to knit, but don't knit it yet. You're going to pull that yarn forward and kind of put it in the way. Pull that yarn forward between your two needles like this. And we are going to knit our white stitch, pull this purple stitch back, and knit the white stitch. And that's where we've caught the float. We've caught it when we brought it forward. So I'm going to knit a couple more here and then show you what it looks like on the back. So we've caught our stitch right here, and this is our long run of purple, and it's going to be caught right in the middle. I recommend catching your stitches in the middle of anything longer than about 5 stitches of float. So that's where we've caught that stitch there. And you can do this as many times as you need for as long a run as you have. So every time you want to catch that float, bring it forward, wrap your stitch, and then bring it back again. So I'm going to show you that a few times. We'll knit a couple in white. We're going to bring that purple forward and bring it back again. Knit a few in white, insert, bring that purple forward, and take it back again. And so you can go as long as you want across these runs and catch your float at least every 5 stitches or so. And then on the back, you'll be able to see the places that we caught our stitch across all of these floats. And so that's the way that you catch your contrast color when you're knitting colorwork like this. To catch the main color, so if we had a long run of purple, we're going to have to catch our white in the middle of that run of purple. And so what that looks like is similar to our other one. So we're going to catch this one now. You're going to insert as if to knit, and then we're going to bring our white stitch sort of in the way, but don't pull it through. Wrap our contrast color and then unwrap the main color and knit that contrast color stitch. So we'll knit a couple purple again. And then to catch our float, wrap that, wrap our contrast, unwrap the main, and pull that through again. So we can catch that every few stitches like we did with the other, where we insert, wrap our main color, wrap the contrast color, unwrap the main, and actually knit it with our contrast color, which is purple. And you can do that as many times as you need to span the round that you're knitting so that you don't have extra long floats. And just like before, you can look on the back and you can see where we've caught our floats here so that this white yarn doesn't get too long on the back. So that is how to catch your main color and your contrast color in stranded colorwork knitting with 2 hands.